Welcome to Plastics Made Simple, the podcast where we pull back the curtain on modern manufacturing and share insights to help you stay informed and inspired. I'm your host, Vantage, and today we're diving into the thermoforming process, one of the most versatile and efficient ways to create custom plastic products. At Vantage Plastics, thermoforming isn't just about heating and shaping plastic, it's about solving problems, meeting unique needs, and delivering high-quality solutions for our clients. In fact, we've perfected a six-step thermoforming process that ensures every project is handled with precision and care. And here's the best part, it's all done in-house. This vertical integration allows us to be a true one-stop shop for our customers. Ready to learn how your ideas can turn into reality? Let's break it all down, step by step. Step 1. Engineering. Every project starts with an idea. When a client brings us their concept, it goes to our application engineers, the problem solvers. They dig deep to understand your goals, challenges, and specific requirements. Their role is to create a roadmap for success, which includes gathering all the necessary details and collaborating closely with you throughout the project. Once the groundwork is laid, our sales engineers jump in to create a design concept and provide a detailed quote. This quote outlines everything from formal design and prototype tooling to production runs. Our transparent approach ensures there are no surprises, and you know exactly what to expect. Next, our project engineers bring your concept to life with advanced 3D modeling and FEA analysis. This step provides a clear visualization of your product and helps us address potential challenges before they arise. Once the design is approved, we're ready to move to the next phase. Fun fact: at Vantage Plastics, we believe in being a true partner, not just a supplier. Our engineering team stays involved from start to finish, ensuring smooth communication and delivering a product that exceeds expectations. Step 2. Tooling. Tooling is where your idea starts to take shape, literally. We begin with a wooden prototype mold, created in partnership with Contour Engineering. This rough draft allows us to test and refine the design, providing you with formed samples to review. Once the prototype is approved, we move to the creation of a durable aluminum production tool. This tool is used to produce production samples for final customer approval. By using a prototype-first approach, we reduce risks, ensure accuracy, and make any necessary adjustments before full-scale production begins. Our partnership with Contour Engineering and dedication to precision tooling ensures that every mold, whether prototype or production-ready, is optimized for performance and efficiency. Step 3. Material selection. Here's where our sister companies come into play, showcasing the strength of the Vantage Plastics family. Choosing the right material for your product is critical, and we offer a wide range of options, including recycled plastics from Edge Materials Management. Edge recycles plastic trays, pallets, and scrap material right here on site. This allows us to provide cost-effective and eco-friendly solutions while helping our clients meet their sustainability goals. Once the material is chosen, Airpark Plastics steps in to create the plastic sheets needed for thermoforming. With capabilities like co-extrusion, laminated prints, and multi-layer sheets, Airpark ensures that the material is tailored to your exact specifications. Sheets can be as wide as 88 inches and range in thickness from 0.030 to 0.450 inches. Fun fact: with ABA sheet capabilities, we can add different colors or properties to each side of the plastic, making your product as functional as it is visually appealing. Step 4. Product verification. Before full production begins, we thoroughly test the product to ensure it meets all performance, strength, and functionality requirements. This phase is essential for guaranteeing that every customer request has been satisfied. At Vantage Plastics, we don't just meet standards, we exceed them. Whether it's a custom Vantex solution or a heavy-duty pallet for industrial use, every product undergoes rigorous verification to ensure it's ready for production. Step 5. Production. This is where the magic happens. With the aluminum production mold in hand and production samples approved, we move to full-scale manufacturing. Our facility boasts 10 single-sheet machines and 7 twin-sheet machines, giving us the capacity to handle projects of all sizes. From massive parts as large as 9 feet 6 inches by 17 feet 6 inches all the way down to intricate designs requiring precision, we've got you covered. Thermoforming involves heating the plastic sheet, stretching it over the mold, and using vacuum pressure to form it into shape. The process is efficient, reliable, and ideal for creating large parts with deep draws, up to 4 feet deep. For smaller scale runs or experimental designs, we also have a dedicated sample machine to ensure prototypes and tweaks are handled with the same care as large-scale production. Step 6. Shipping logistics. Once production is complete, our dedicated shipping department ensures that your products arrive safely, whether it's across the country or around the globe. We offer flexible shipping solutions tailored to your needs, from bulk transportation to specialized delivery. Fun fact, at Vantage Plastics, we've even created custom injection molded trays that make packaging and shipping more efficient. This highlights our commitment to providing holistic solutions for our customers. And that's it. The Vantage Plastics 6-step thermoforming process. By keeping every step under one roof, we deliver unmatched quality, efficiency, and collaboration. Whether you're looking for sustainable materials, custom packaging solutions, or large-scale industrial parts, we have the tools and expertise to make it happen. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Plastics Made Simple. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at thermoforming, be sure to subscribe and share the podcast. Until next time, I'm Vantage, helping you shape the future, one plastic part at a time.